In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord installation has failed. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is if Discord is currently open, I want to go ahead and open up my task manager, which is going to look like this. Locate Discord, and if you don't see it here, then go to details. It's going to show everything in alphabetical order. Go to Discord, right click it, and then end task or even end the process tree. If you see like multiple versions of it, then you can just go ahead and do that. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is to press Windows key and R, and then go ahead and type in percentage app data percentage, like so. Press enter. It's going to look something like this. Go over and find your Discord folder, and then all you want to do is just right click it and then go ahead and press this delete button, which should just go ahead and clear the cache. You want to do the exact same thing as well by pressing Windows R, and then so app data, you want to type in local app data. And then go ahead and look for Discord again, and then just do the same thing by deleting it. And then that should basically make Discord work properly. And yeah, it's as simple as that.